Hi everyone, Mrs. Hobbs here. It was good to see all of you who could make it yesterday. Just as a reminder, today is going to be an asynchronous learning day, which means that you are on your own. You can watch the video. I will be available off and on to get emails and answer questions, or if we need to get the Google Meet together to get things cleared up, we can do that if we schedule a time. But for the most part, this is going to be a day that you work on your own. Now, yesterday was a day that we met. We tried to meet. I know we had some internet issues. So the expectation was that you got online at your class time, if you could. If you did not do that, you'll want to make sure to do that tomorrow and Friday. So you look at the schedule, find your class time, look in Schoology to find your class meeting codes, and use those to get online. If you have trouble, then you need to email me and I will be happy to help you out. The first thing I want you to do today is go back and check your discussion topic. Most people, they went in, recorded their name and their character trait and had no problems. And if that worked out, I liked it. And then I went in and made a comment to yours. And if you did not follow, if you didn't do it, you need to go in and do it. If you did not follow directions, then I put a comment in there that said, try again. So you will not get credit for that until you follow the directions. I know it seems a little annoying, but the following directions this year is going to be super important. I'm going to try really hard to make the directions clear and have video instructions and written instructions. So it's going to be really important that you make sure you know what you're supposed to do, because it's hard for me sometimes to grade things if you are doing something different than what I'm looking for. So if you got a comment that said try again, I'm just going to ask, you can even just reply to that and do it again, or you can do a whole new response, but you need to make sure to go back and do it again. Today is another simple assignment. I'm just going to have you fill out an index. It's going to look like an index card to get to know you. So when you open up Wednesday, you're going to have these daily instructions with this video in here. And then when you open up this assignment, you're going to see that a video that explains what you are supposed to do, and you are going to see an example of what I would write if I were a student in this class. And then you're going to go ahead and open up your own assignment and submit it. You need to make sure to submit it. If you have trouble doing that, there are a couple of links here that have videos to help you add a picture and help you learn how to submit an assignment in Schoology. So again, I'm going to try to always support you in some of the tricky parts. So basically, you're going to be filled out an index card, and I'm going to have you put your name, a picture of you or you and your family or you and your pet, you doing something that you enjoy, and the rule is you have to be in it somewhere. Then the first question is, what is something you would like your ELA teacher to know about you? And so I just put, recently both my kids went to college. Kyle is at K-State and Quentin is at the University of Arkansas. So my house feels a little weird and empty. It's a good thing my dog Ginger didn't move out. I have a lot of stories about my dog Ginger. What questions do you have about ELA or school in general? I just put that I'm a little anxious about teaching virtually. I hope you'll be willing to troubleshoot with me if necessary, ask questions, be patient with me. I'll try to be really clear. I'll try to make it straightforward, but I have to admit, I'm just a little bit nervous. So once you're done, then you'll submit it, and that is your work for the day. Again, I'm going to try to make sure that you can do your work during the day so that in the evening you can do things that you enjoy. All right, I will see you tomorrow, Thursday, for a synchronous meeting at your scheduled time, and your codes are in Schoology. You just need to find it there. I hope to see you all tomorrow.